Hey guys, it's time to check out the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy J6 2018, and this phone comes with Samsung Exynos 7870 processor with 3 gigs of RAM, and it is a 5.6 inch 720p Super AMOLED display. And I play four games on this beautiful infinity display because Samsung called as infinity display as well. And first I play Asphalt 8 Airborne, and second is the Marvel Future Fights, third is the Temperanto, and last is the Subway Surfer. So let's launch Asphalt 8. And you can see I go to the settings and show you the visual quality. I set the visual quality on a high. So let's play a level. Okay guys, I am back on the home screen, and you can see I play a game called as Asphalt 8, and this phone easily handle this game without any big lag. So let's open a Marvel Future Fights real quick. Okay guys, so let's go to the settings, and you can see I set a performance and the graphics on a high, and the some sound effects is also on the high, and some frame rates speed on auto repeat is also on the high. So let's go to the settings and play a level. And this game is so heavy, and J6 is not handle this game on a high setting. So let's go to again settings and set a medium, show you the medium quality graphics. Okay, and you can see this phone is easily handle this game in a medium system and the graphics. So let's launching a Temperanto. And you can see it is a infinity display. I love this infinity displays. I am not a master in this game, so sorry for this. And you can see this phone is easily handle this game without a 60 frames per second, no lagging, no frame drops. I can't see, and you can see some frame drops. I called as some lags, and you can see it is a river, and you can see, and this one, and Exynos 7870 is easily play this game without any drops of frames. Some lags in some areas, I see. Okay guys, so let's launch another game, Subway Surfer. And you can see I play 4 games on this beautiful infinite display Samsung J6 2018, and it is officially launched in Pakistan. I also done the unboxing of the J6. You can check that off of my channel. I also done some speed tests on the J6, and I gotta say, and J6 is not a bad phone for this games, and this game is also so heavy for a performance and the graphics things. And thank you so much for watching this gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy J6, and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.